What is going on, everybody? Today we are finally saying goodbye to the piece of crap Cavalier. So I've pretty much stolen everything off of it that I wanted to keep, stuff, like the light bar and that kind of crap. The tow truck driver is going to pop by here any second now. He's going to give me like $100 and something for it. We're going to call it a day because, as some of you may know, I was attempting to turn that Cavalier into a gambler build. And it was on the channel for a little while. We did a bunch of stupid mods to it and everything, and it was all good and fun. And then a bunch of stuff started going wrong with it, which is fine. I expected things to go wrong, but the shock towers all rusted out. The frame right about here started to get rusted out, and a fuel line burst on it. With all of these things combined, we, as in me and my wife, decided that it was probably better to just scrap it and get another project. And that is where this comes in. So we picked up this piece of crap 1993 E36 for $500. And so that is going to be our new budget project car. I'm really looking forward to delving into that. So what we're looking at here is a 1993 BMW 325i E36 sedan. So I've been keeping my eyes peeled for a E36 for a long time now, and saw this one and couldn't pass it up. It was cheap, so we'll see what I got myself into. There's nothing really special about it. The 325i came with the straight 6 engine, and it has pretty much every option that came available on this particular model. It's got the sunroof, leather interior, CD changer, all that fancy stuff for 1993. So I was able to pick this up for real cheap because of this. Somebody hit the door here, and then the owner just let it sit under a tree for a bunch of years, and it rusted pretty badly. So what we're going to do is we're going to repair everything that needs to be repaired to make it functional, cut out all of the unnecessary metal and rust and stuff that doesn't need to be there, and we'll see where it progresses from there. I've got a couple of ideas that I think you guys will like, so stay tuned for that. The interior is actually pretty nice. I do have that door panel. It's just not attached right now. It doesn't want to stay on. It's got some pretty normal wear and tear stuff in here, but other than that, it's all looking really nice. I haven't decided whether or not we want to go with a full interior on this one or not, but we'll see. And yeah, that's going to be my new project car. We'll hopefully actually get to build it this time instead of it, having to get junked. I hope. We'll see.